is made. Here we are standing next to our coffee tree and we're going to show you how coffee is made of step by step. We make our coffee at home, so let me show you.
These are tiny buds of a very useful plant. Can you guess what it is? I will tell at the end of the video. These coffee beans are green, which means they are still not ripe, so we can't pluck them. So let's pluck them. Look how many we plucked today. There are ripe ones, there are black ones. You can pluck these, and we can have to let it sit in the sun for a few days, and then we can peel off the peel. There is a seed inside. That is the one we're gonna be using to crunch, actually make a powder, so we can have coffee. Look at this one. It's black. We can pluck them. Let me just see. It is black, and I have also plucked some more. These are some coffee beans we have been keeping in the sun for a very long time now. And there's, as I told you earlier, there's a peel, and we need to peel it. And then there's the seed inside. So we have to ground the seed to become coffee powder. So at this point, you might already guess what the tree I showed you earlier. Well, it is coffee tree. So we peel these coffee beans, and as you can see, this is the seed. Now I put this inside a pot, and we're gonna heat it until it becomes black. Now the coffee beans have turned into this dark color. It's time to grind it so it will become a powder.
Hope you enjoy watching this video, and you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe,
so you guys will be the first one to watch new posted videos like this.
So if you did that, you will be able to watch more and more videos. So thanks for watching.
Bye.